Bururi wa Amerika niguo koretwo gicangira gicunji kinene mihango ruhonge-ini rwa UGIMA wa MWIRI thiini wa thi WHO na muno makiria uthuthuriaini wa mirimu itiganite o undu umwe na tabarira itiganite ta cia kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo. Rianirira ria President Donald Trump ria kweheria bururi wa Amerika kuma ruhonge-ini ruru ndiritigite mabururi maingi na kigagayo. Riu Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI guku bururi-ini ikiuga NIIRARANIRIA na ATARAMU niguo gutaukwo mamwe ma moritu maria mekumana na rianirira riri. Indi kauga no iguthie na mbere kurutithania wira na honge aingi.
Tube ATARAMU time nigu mabote ku analyze maundu aya na mabote gutwira as a country which way we are going as a country na economically buria ingi bota go to affect.
The budget for 2024-2025 WHO budget is about $6.8 billion and US contributes about 18%. And our plea is that collectively we are safer together as a whole world.
Ihinda-ini riu ministry no yugite bururi wa Kenya ndwandikithitie mundu na umwe ugumiirwo ni murimu wa MARBUG ona thengia wa bururi wa Tanzania kwandikithia mundu umwe uria wonekanite na murimu uyu. Hamwe na uguo ministry yugite gukinyaniria na riu andu 36 niyo monekanite na murimu wa mpox. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no Mirimuthonia akiuga ni mambikite mihango ya guthima andu mihaka-ini na cingiriro-ini ciothe.
We as a country we have reported 36 cases cumulatively. Currently we have 2 cases under active management in a health facility. 1 case under home-based isolation and care.
Kuria andu marengirira ta Jomo Kenyatta, kuria Kilidini haba kana kuria Malaba andu ni mararorua muno. O muthi wonde nara make sure na twika screened.
Oho ministry yugite nireketie kwamukira jajo milioni 2.3 cia BCG na igatwarwo kaunti-ini itiganite. Riu aciari makiurio gutwara ciana ciao iria itamukirite jajo eno mathibitari-ini niguo iheo jajo eno.
Nairobi ina 450,000 doses, Kisumu ikabewa doses 300,000, Kakamega ikabewa 276 na Nakuru makabewa 264, Mombasa 120,000, Meru 90,000, Nyeri 90,000, Garissa 120,000 doses, Eldoret 290,000 na twina buffer stock iria tunayo ya tigarite ya 234,000.
Ihinda-ini riu ruhonge rwa SHA rugite mibango ni yambiriirie ya gwikira arigitani a gikiro gia clinical officers rungu rwa SHA guku rukiuga SHA ni irarihira andu ciringi 500,000 aria maramatha motungata ma urigitani nja wa bururi.
Clinical officers should start enjoying the services that they were asking for from now going forward. SHA is providing support in terms of foreign treatment by way of based on the tariffs that we are using, meeting the cost to the tune of 500,000.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni Ejeta wa Wagoi wa Mwiruri.